Hi guys, I hope all is well. So we have an O-level past paper question of the year 2019. The session is October-November. This is the last question of the exam. This is question number 10. We will discuss congruent shapes, circles, angles, area of shaded region, tangents and circle properties. Let's start. So the question in front of us has a circle and there are two triangles in it, ADB and ABC. The question reads, AC and BD are diameters of the circle with center O. Show that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle BAD. Give a reason for each statement you make. So first of all, this is a 3-mark question, so we would need at least 3 statements. The first statement that I can identify is that AB is common between both the triangles. That means one of the sides of the two triangles is the same in length. So we can write the first statement over here. AB is a common side of both triangles. Okay, the second statement that I can identify is that DB and AC are both hypotenuse of the triangle and they both are the same in length because they both are the diameters. So we can write BD, the second statement is that AC and BD are the same in length as well. Okay, the third statement that we can find out is that both of these triangles are right triangles. So this angle right here and this angle right here, both these angles are 90 degrees. So we can say that BAD, angle BAD and angle, what's the other one? ABC, angle ABC are both 90 degrees. Okay, so these 3 statements, since AB is one of the lengths of the triangle, that's the same for both of them. Then the hypotenuse AC and BD, that's the same for both of them. The angle in the middle is 90 degrees. So both of them are congruent to each other. All the sides of the angles of the lengths are the same. Okay, let's move on to the next part. Now they've given us a circle with 2 triangles in it, the same question, but they have introduced 2 tangents. One is TD and the other one is TC. 2 tangents TC and TD are drawn to the circle in part A. The diameter of the circle is 8 centimeters and ABD is 28 centimeters or 28 degrees. Find COD. They've asked us to find this angle right here, but the information that they've given us is that the circle has a diameter of 8 centimeters and ABD is 28 degrees. So ABD is this angle, this is 28. So this angle right here would also be 28 degrees. I hope this is visible. If both of them are 28 degrees, let's find this angle. So 28 plus 28 gives us, what does it give us? I think it should give us 56. Yeah, it gives us 56. If you subtract 56 from 180, you get, what do you get? You get 124 degrees. So the angle here is 124 degrees. COD is opposite of this angle, so this would also be 124 degrees. So you can write that over here, that COD is 124 degrees. Okay, now the next part is a 5-mark question. Calculate the area shown shaded and calculate the area shown shaded in the diagram. Okay, what a weird way to write all of this. So they have asked us to find the area that is here and here. First we will need to know the area of triangle DOT, which would be similar to triangle COT. So let's find the area of triangle DOT. But even before that, in order to find the area of triangle DOT, you will need this length and this length so that you can make this a 90-degree angle right here and use the formula of half times base times height. The length DO is of course going to be half of the diameter which is given to us, that is 8 centimeters. So this length right here would be 4. And since we have this angle which is 124, so if we just need this angle right here, it would be half of 124, which is 124 divided by 2 gives us 62 degrees. And this is 90 over here because tangents always make 90 degrees with the center of the circle. So we need dt first. So let's do that. So the formula that we use is opposite upon adjacent. So tan 28 degrees is equal to opposite, which is dt, over adjacent, which is do, and we can write that as 4. So dt is equal to tan 28 times 4, times 4 gives us, one second, okay, I'm making a mistake over here. 4 times tan 28 gives us 2.12. Why would it give us 2.12? What am I doing? Oh, it's not 28. Sorry, it is 62 degrees. My bad. Okay, so 4 times tan 62 gives us 7.52. Okay, now that is correct. 7.52 centimeters. Okay, so the length of dt is 7.52 centimeters. Perfect. Now, since we have dt and we have do, we need to find the area of dot. We do that by the area of the triangle DOT is half times base times height. So half times 7.52 times 4, which is the height. So we get times 4 divided by 2, we get 15.046 centimeters squared for this triangle right here. Okay, if this is 15.046, this is also going to be 15.046. So triangle DOT plus triangle COT should give us the area of this figure DOCT. So when we add this, we add 15.046 plus 15.046. That gives us 30.1 centimeters squared, which is the area of the whole DOCT. We need to remove the area of the segment DOC from it. So let's remove all the scribblings first and let's find the area of this segment. Okay, so what we need is, we only need the diameter, and instead of using 62, which is troublesome in the beginning, we use 124 degrees right here. How do we do that? Of course, the area of a circle can be found by using the formula pi r squared, but since this is only 124 degrees out of the whole 360 degrees, so we do this. Area of segment area, which is DOC, is found by 124 over 360, because we're trying to find the ratio of the area of this part compared to the whole circle, times pi r squared. Okay, so when we do this, 124 over 360 times 3.142 times what is the radius? Radius is 4 squared. So we get, one second, let's do that, 124 divided by 360 times 3.142 times 16, because that's the square root of 4, we get 17.3 centimeters squared. Okay, now we have this area right here, that's the area of the whole shape, and this area right here, that is the unshaded part. If you subtract these two, let's subtract these two right here, 30.1 minus 17.3, you should get the area of the shaded part, this whole thing. So let's do that, minus 30.1, and we get 12.8 centimeters squared. So we write that here, 12.8. I hope the question made sense. The complete working of this question is present in the description below for you to download. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button, and thank you for watching.